Hi guys, this is Calvin Doma, your coach. Thanks for joining me. We all have mind and we have been already I've been talking about so much about mind. So today we need to understand that most of us have been programmed and have downloaded information that we start to believe, literally really believe and underestimate our own mind. So we know that our mind has whole potential. We also know that we are the controllers. We are the person who are programming our mind. And if your mind is programming you, then you should watch my other videos. So now we have come to the point that we know that we have a mind and we are controlling our mind and we know how to control our mind. So here we need to understand that do not underestimate the power that is within us. As human beings, we are really powerful because we can decide what we want and don't want, what we want to listen and don't want to listen. We have the free will of choice. So choice is the most powerful thing that we as human beings have. So never underestimate your own mind. So if you want to do something, you want to go and be somebody, go and do it. Do not underestimate yourself. So make sure that when you want to do something, like if you want to be a singer, I will say, what's stopping you? If you want to become a doctor, if you want to become a geologist, if you want to become whatever, remember you are the one who is putting the barrier, who is putting the hurdles, who is putting the problems in front of you, and you are the one making yourself stop from going and doing and grabbing that opportunity that is presented to you because you have underestimated your own self. So how do you underestimate yourself? This comes from the information that you downloaded when you were a child, through your school, through your family, through your culture, through your friends, through your surrounding, through the internet. Everything has been bombed to you and you have downloaded. So now you have so much information downloaded that you have a self-doubt. Once you have a self-doubt, then you start to say, no, I can't do this. I don't believe I can do this. Why? Because you underestimate, because you have a belief system. That belief system is also inside you and your body. Not just your mind, but also your body. So you start to believe that you're not good enough. You start to believe that you can never achieve that. You start to believe that everything that you do is impossible, but you don't look around you. Look around you. Look at your family. Look at your teachers. Look at your school. Look at your friends. Look at everyone and then look at yourself and ask, wow, that's the reason why I underestimate myself. That's the reason why I have been programmed this way. Once you know this, you will understand how to free yourself. It is very important that you look at your parents, what their beliefs are, because that's what is given to you. Look at your school, what your teachers are telling you. It's really important that you don't go around believing whatever people are telling you. Because everybody is telling you something through their own experience, but it's not you. So make sure that you delete those information and upload new information. Like this video I'm giving you. This is to rediscover who you are and stop underestimating yourself from today. All right? So guys, I hope my videos are really helping you guys and challenging your whole person that you are, and you're trying to rediscover and make yourself a whole new person. All right, guys. So if you have any question on this topic, that is called underestimation and belief. So if you have any question regarding this video, please do ask me and leave your comments, because that will help me to make more videos that you want to listen to, that you want from me as a coach. And I'm here only to make sure that you are given the proper right information that you need. All right, guys, subscribe my channel. Force of good. So subscribe my channel, share my channel, and love me. They say like, they should say love. So anyway, love me, like me, and just write about it. And I would say, guys, be kind to yourself, to people around you, and to all the strangers. So thank you so much. Namaste and